Welcome. I am Alan Xavier from Green Team Group C. I am here to give you a short information about the ingredients which I used in my cough syrup. First, tulsi leaves. Tulsi leaves are helpful to relieve the symptoms of cough. Next, kuppemeni leaves which are called Acalypha indica. It is used as a cyanogenic and non-cyanogenic pyrethroid glucosides and it is presented in it to cure the cough. Next, betel leaves. It helps in treating the issues related to cough. Next, dry ginger. The anti-inflammatory effect of ginger can relieve cough by reducing inflammation. Next, pepper. Pepper is a very important item in the cough syrup. It has a natural cough suppressant. Next, tippili, which is also called long pepper. It speeds up the process of recovery of cough. Next, adimadram, which is called licorice. It has ethyl acetate and it produces less effect in recovering the cough. I know that you understand the importance